Are you interested in getting your weight loss medications for less? Hi, everyone. What's going on? My name is John Coleman. I'm a benefits consultant, and today we are going to go over how you can get the popular weight loss medication Wegovy by Novo Nordisk for less through their self-pay option. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this. So first, what is Wegovy? Wegovy is a once-a-week injectable GLP-1 drug that's FDA approved to treat obesity in adults and teenagers. Now, in just a minute, we will show you how to navigate to the Novo Nordisk website where you can obtain authentic Wegovy for $4.99 per month. It's really important to note that if your employer happens to offer you an FSA, also known as a flexible spending account, or an HSA, also known as a health savings account, you can use either account to help pay for your weight loss medications. So now let's go directly to Google and we will show you how to find the self-pay option for Wegovy. All right, so we're going to go to Google and I'm going to type in Wegovy self-pay. We click that and we're going to click the link on top, the sponsored link, the first one that comes up. We're going to click accept all cookies. And then we're going to scroll down. We are going to ultimately look and go through the website, making sense of the cost, and coverage starts here. Now, what we're going to click for today is how to access resources that may help if your plan does not cover Wegovy. And this is really important because this is the only way to really get the self-pay rate. So we're going to scroll down until it says save on Wegovy. And we're going to click on the take me to the savings option. So really there's two ways to ultimately get the savings. You can go through text save to 83757 to get your savings card, or you can tap the button and you'll be redirected to the enrollment page for the savings card. So we're going to click this button right here. We do that, accept all cookies again. It's coming up with the limited one-time offer once again. We're going to click through this. We are going to click Get Savings. We're going to click I have a prescription for Wegovy. We are going to click No in terms of are you enrolled in insurance from any government, state, or federally funded medical or prescription benefit program. We're going to need to fill out some details. So I'm going to put some random details here. And it's important to note that you must be a U.S. resident to sign up for Wegovy Savings and Support Program. I'm going to click Continue. And it's going to ask for my email address. And we have to read this consent and agree to the Wegovy Savings. So definitely read this on your own time. And for now, we're going to click I agree. And you have the option to read and agree to get marketing communications about Wegovy. For now, I'm going to click I agree. I'm going to click Submit. And now I have the option to view and print savings. So a few options down here. We could email the savings to another address. You can use Google Pay to save to your phone. You can add to your Apple Wallet, or view and print savings. So for now, I'm going to click View and Print Savings. And here is the Wegovy Savings offer. So really important just to bring this to your own pharmacy, and then you can basically take advantage of it. And it's just really important just to note to consider the $4.99 per month option if your insurance does not cover Wegovy, or if you are uninsured and going the self-pay route. Important to note that it will not count towards any deductible or out-of-pocket maximum since this is a self-pay option. One thing to note with this self-pay option, you can bring this copay card to any pharmacy that accepts the copay card and be able to get Wegovy for $4.99 per month. Now, if you're interested in obtaining the deeply discounted rate on Zepbound as opposed to Wegovy, click on the link on the video in front of you for additional information. Thank you for joining.